Prior to Irma's arrival, some 6.5 million in southern Florida, about a third of the Sunshine State's population, were ordered to evacuate their homes. While the scourge, many of them came home to check on their properties, including this Filipino. His hurricane-proof home was intact, but his backyard was a big mess. A balimbing or starfruit and atis tree were among those knocked down by Irma's strong outer-band wind gusts.
We figured if the real Ike came to us, I think a lot of these trees will be down.
This Filipino left his home thinking that it would be the last time to see it. Floodwaters turned his swimming pool into a mud pool.
I'm really very thankful that none of us got hurt, and all of us are in good shape, and the house is also in good shape. We never lost a tile in the roof. I was expecting to lose several tiles, and I was prepared for it.
Don Tagala, ABS-CBN News, Florida.